Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the membrane solution squeeze water system. That's the model type WS01. I've already tested the water straw filter WS02 from the same company and it has been working really good. So I'm pretty confident that this thing is also working. The difference here is that it comes with these very convenient squeezable water bags. On the other hand, we do not have the replaceable water filters. So let's open, see what we get. And so you can see you get these 4 squeezable water pouches. Very convenient, so we don't have to deal with real water bottles. While I've been testing the WS02, I realized that even though it has quite some different adapters, not all the water bottles are going to fit, and sometimes it can be difficult to find a suitable one. So that's definitely not a problem here with these water pouches. And even though they are really small, flat, you can even roll them, easily store them almost everywhere. They have quite some fill level with 22 ounces, and the set comes also with 4 of these drinking nozzles, so we can just screw them on here, remove the cap and then pull this thing out and drink directly from here. But we cannot only use this to drink, we can also use to feed the water into the filter, and here we have the filter. So it's a really nice small one. I mean, also the WS02 is not too large, but you can see there is quite some difference. A couple of days I went on a bike ride and took the one here into my pocket, normal pants pocket, and it works really good. But of course this one here works much better if you just want to have it in a small pocket. And so we have the mouthpiece protected here, that's really nice. But you can still take it apart. Can unscrew it here at the bottom, so you can see the filter. It has some kind of a sediment filter here. Then the next one is a carbon filter, and inside we have the ultra filtration fiber, and we can also unscrew it here from the top. Here you can see the top of this fiber, and it's nicely glued here inside. You can see it nicely sealed, so the dirty water cannot evade the filter. And actually the membranes are the main filter. They are making sure that these harmful bacteria and also most of the viruses are filtered out. Especially one thing we are always worried, like the E. coli, and that's definitely the perfect suitable filter for that. But of course with this size charcoal filter, it cannot remove all the chlorine taste, every kind of dissolved chemicals. That's not possible with this size, but at least it will help and reduce the chlorine taste. By the way, this kind of filter is also not designed to reduce the TDS. So if you want to test the water before and after with a TDS meter, it will show pretty much exactly same ppm. That doesn't mean it doesn't work, but it's just not reducing the small mineral particles or so. But that's actually also not needed, especially not when we are out in the woods, want to drink from a river, pond, lake or so. That's perfectly suitable. Down here there's a nice opening. This solution is even better than the WS02, because on the WS02 that's maybe the only disadvantage here, that it's pretty much unprotected. I mean, the access for the filter itself, it has some protection. I removed this already, but we don't have a protection here for the thread, and so that's really convenient. That's something which I really like, that we have full protection here, so we can really put it like that into our backpack or somewhere else, and we have really full protection against dirt, water whatsoever. And so this is how it works. I would recommend that you take at least 2 of these water bags with you. So if you don't have always access to water source, you can fill this one up here on a lake or pond, or if there's a place with a public fountain. But always remember that you have the unfiltered water. Maybe you can mark it here with an X, something like that. You can see it has also a safe stand when it's full. Pretty cool. And then we open the filter at the bottom, and so we can screw this in here, has a solid hold. Then we remove the cap of the mouthpiece and we are ready to use it. Pour it into a cup by squeezing here. You can see nicely flowing, or just drink directly from here. Yeah, pretty cool, I would say. Definitely quite some improvement. By the way, I've been using here the tap water, which is definitely not really good in our area. And there's already a huge improvement. So this can definitely also work for emergency situations at home, but of course it would be perfect for travel. If you're up in the mountains, hiking, camping or so, then it would be perfect because you also don't have to deal with chlorine then. So again, we can pour it here, drink directly, or if you have a second squeezable bottle, we put it underneath and squeeze from the top and start filling the second bottle. So I've squeezed everything down here so I can mount the mouthpiece, and after that I don't have to deal with the water filter anymore. I can drink the water directly from here. And that's pretty cool. So it's a very, very interesting system. Super flexible. Doesn't get much better than that. Covers almost all situations. You can even use this filter to install a gravity water filtration. So the unfiltered water will then run throughout the day through the filter, and you collect it in a bottle or one of these squeezable bottles. Or of course you can drink directly using this straw down here. So you bend down into the pond or river and drink then directly from there. Maybe small hint regarding handling these squeezable bottles. Of course, very important to rinse and dry them after usage. And so rinsing, of course, no problem, but drying can be a little bit of a problem. When you have been squeezing out all the water, then it's like that, and it wouldn't dry inside. So what I recommend is to fill this bottle with air. Just pump it up like a balloon, and after that it will stay like that. You can put it somewhere like that, leave the cap open, and it will dry over a couple of hours. So absolutely amazing what we have here, and it's very lightweight, small, super versatile. Definitely doesn't get much better than that, so full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.